Want to transform any image, even a blurry one, into a perfectly scalable vector graphic right within Adobe Photoshop? First, open the image you want to vectorize in Photoshop. Choose your image from the Open option on the welcome screen, or drag and drop your image file directly into Photoshop. Next, in the Layers panel, make sure your image layer selected. This is usually labeled background, or has the name of your image file. Now, go to the Properties panel. If you don't see the Properties panel, go to Window and click on Properties to enable it. Find the section called Quick Actions. Look for Image Trace and click on it. Photoshop will instantly begin tracing your image. A new Image Trace panel will pop up. You can use the default settings, but to fine-tune the result, click the arrow next to Preset to see different vectorization options. Try experimenting with different presets. Things like Photo High Fidelity, Photo Low Fidelity, 3 colors, 6 colors, or more depending on your image's complexity. See how these settings determine the colors and detail of your vector artwork. Once you've settled on the best trace settings, finalize the vector in the Image Trace panel. Click on Expand. This creates editable shapes from the traced image, perfect for scaling up or editing individual parts. To further improve your design, you can use the Pen tool in the toolbar to edit the vector paths, to adjust anchor points, to refine the edges and remove any undesired details. And just like that, your image is now vibrant, scalable vector. Share your vectorized art in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more design tips.